Text overlay, the truth nobody tells you, bold red on black. Fast zoom into sizzling pan. Most people spend 400 hours a year in the kitchen, and they're doing every single thing wrong. Cut to, messy kitchen, someone fumbling with a knife. Not just a little wrong. Destroy your food, waste your money, lose hours of your life wrong. Text overlay, 400 hours equals 16 full days. But here's what they don't tell you. The difference between a total beginner and someone who cooks like a pro? It's not talent. It's not fancy gear. It's not even practice. Split screen, messy plate versus restaurant quality dish. It's 3 simple rules. Rules that 97% of home cooks never learn. B-roll, chef's hands moving fast, perfectly. By the time this 8 minutes is over, you will know exactly what those rules are. You will know why most recipe videos on the internet are lying to you. And you will never look at a kitchen the same way again. Text overlay, rule number 1. Animation, clock ticking fast, then freezing. Rule number 1. Cooking time is a myth. Sound, record scratch. I know how that sounds. Every recipe you've ever read has a time on it. Cook for 12 minutes. Bake for 25. Simmer for 8. B-roll, recipe cards piling up, then getting thrown away. Here's the truth. Your stove is not their stove. Your pan is not their pan. Your chicken breast is 7 ounces, and theirs was 5. That time on the recipe? It's a suggestion at best. A lie at worst. Split screen, same recipe, 2 different stoves, completely different results. Professional chefs don't use timers. They use their senses. Close up, touching steak for doneness. Close up, listening to sizzle. Close up, smelling garlic as it hits the oil. They're not special. They just learned what nobody teaches beginners. Text overlay, the 3 cents check. Here's the first thing to master. It's called the 3 cents check. And once you learn it, you will never overcook anything again. Animation, 3 icons appearing: eye, ear, hand. Sense 1. Sight. When meat turns golden brown at the edges, that's the Maillard reaction kicking in. That's flavor you can literally see happening. Sense 2. Sound. A loud sizzle means your pan is hot and your food is searing. A quiet simmer means gentle cooking. Sense 3. Touch. Press your food. Soft equals rare. Firm equals well done. B-roll, demonstrating each sense one by one, side by side. That's it. That's what the pros use while you're staring at a timer, stressing out. Text overlay, 47% more flavor. Studies show that cooking by senses instead of timers results in 47% better flavor development. Because you're reacting to what's actually happening, not what a piece of paper told you should happen. But rule 1 only gets you halfway there. Because even if you cook it perfectly, sudden cut, beautiful steak getting dumped on a sad, cold plate, you can still completely ruin everything with rule number 2. Text overlay, rule number 2. Dramatic pause. Screen goes dark for half a second. Text overlay, salt. Most people are terrified of salt. B-roll, someone shaking a tiny, pathetic sprinkle of salt from 3 feet above the food. They've heard salt is bad. Salt causes high blood pressure. Salt should be used sparingly. Text overlay, this is wrong. Here's what nobody tells you. Restaurant food tastes better than your food for one reason and one reason only. Split screen, restaurant dish glowing, home dish looking sad and pale. They use 3 to 5 times more salt than you do. In every single dish. Every single time. Animation, salt shaker pouring, with text restaurant, 1 TBSP versus home cook, 1/4 TSP. And no, they are not slowly killing their customers. Here's the science they don't share. B-roll, raw ingredients, whole foods being chopped. When you cook at home with whole ingredients, you start with 0 sodium. 0. A restaurant chicken breast has 110 milligrams of sodium before they even add salt because the